Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 204, numéro 204. In today's episode, we are continuing our listen and repeat pronunciation series, and this time we are focusing on French nasal vowel sound en. That is the sound that you hear in words like France or blanc. So here how it's going to work. I will say some French sentences where the en sound appears, and your job is pretty simple. You just listen carefully and you repeat after me. This listen and repeat technique helps you train your ear and build muscle memory so you can eventually feel more confident when speaking French. Now, to help you follow along, as usual, make sure you download your free lessons cheat sheet. It includes all the sentences in French and their English translations. You will find the link in the episode notes. It is free. All right, so let's start with a few words that contain the en sound. Repeat after me. La France. That's France. La France. Les enfants. Children. Les enfants. Le restaurant. Restaurant. Le restaurant. Blanc. That's white. Blanc. And by the way, just a little side note here. Don't pronounce the C at the end of blanc, the color white. Blanc, not blanc. Okay, last one. Entrer. To enter. Entrer. All right, so now we've got our 5 words. Let's practice the sound en with full sentences. Please repeat after me. Mes parents habitent en France. My parents live in France. Mes parents habitent en France. Les enfants jouent tranquillement dans le parc. The kids are playing quietly in the park. Les enfants jouent tranquillement dans le parc. Je t'attends impatiemment devant le restaurant. I'm waiting for you impatiently in front of the restaurant. Je t'attends impatiemment devant le restaurant. Elle porte un pantalon blanc très élégant. She's wearing very elegant white trousers. Elle porte un pantalon blanc très élégant. Laurence entre dans son appartement en chantant. Laurence goes into her apartment while singing. Laurence entre dans son appartement en chantant. All right, well done. Now, if any of those sentences felt a little tricky, of course, feel free to go back and replay them. You can listen to this episode over and over again. Repetition is really key to improving your pronunciation. So that is it for today's episode. Don't forget to download your free cheat sheet. It includes all the French sentences and their English translations to help you follow along more easily. Merci beaucoup. Thanks for practicing your pronunciation with me today, and I will chat with you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Before you go, let me ask you something. Do you feel like you kind of know French, but when it comes to actually speaking, you freeze? If that's you, I made something just for you. It's called the French Fluency Gap Guide, and inside you'll discover the 5 fluency pillars every French learner needs. You see exactly where you're on track, where you're stuck, and what to focus on next. It's completely free and you can get it right now. You'll find the link waiting for you in the show notes.